Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook Crafted Workshop. And today we have a very special, unique project for a very special person. A friend of mine's daughter's having a lot of health problems, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and make her a fancy crochet hook, which I've never done before. And so stay tuned and let's see if I can make this. Here is a quick glimpse of what the finished product will look like. All right, so we are using a curly maple blank. We're going to see how this turns out. So these are my pen drilling jaws dedicated to just drilling pen blanks and small objects. So we drilled a test hole first to see. We're going to be putting a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook to about here. And so it's 7/32 drill bit size for this. So we'll see how far we go in there. Probably don't even need to go in that far. I could cut this off out here, but let's see what we can do. All right, well, I'm gonna do this on a slow speed. Right here, I'm going to take this out and test the fit, and I'm very happy with it. These are for some small hands, so I'm going to slowly shape the handle into what I think would be a good fit and grip for someone who crochets. Curly maple at its finest. So I'm testing the final fit and finish to see how far in this goes. I did cut a little bit off of the end. And now I need to sand the tube to adhere the glue a little bit better. And now I'm going to put some medium CA glue all over this and hopefully not get too much on the blank itself. So we got to be careful here as I do this. And we only have a certain amount of time with CA glue. Wiping that off, everything's looking great. Now let's look at the final product. So here it is, a nice curly maple that I dyed and stabilized pink. This is a 5.5 millimeter crochet handle. I left the flat part in for your finger grip. A lot of handles are often longer, but this one was intended for small hands. Please subscribe, like, comment if you like what you see, and I'll catch you on an upcoming video.